Good morning, my name's Carol Armstrong. I'm here at Healthcare Estates 2024 in Manchester with the DELABIE and the AquaTools brands, and I'd be delighted to show you around our stand. So I'm going to show you around our stand. We've got a few areas we'd like to look at with you. One of them is the technical zone, where we look into a little bit more detail about the taps, the showers, how we can save water, how we can help with hygiene, and we can look at infection control. We've got our professional area with stainless steel and taps that match it and for surgical areas. We've also got patient zones where we have equipment that will help you provide an accessible washroom for all of your patients, but also for your staff. There is also AquaTools where if there is a bacteria count, we can help you provide safe water. We're also going to take a deeper look into our direct flush system, which can save you money, can save you water, and save you space. And the other area we're looking at is some of our taps where we've got no non-return valves on our thermostatic products. So this is AquaTools, our new range of point-of-use filters. We have filters for taps, for shower heads, and also for handheld showers. They're available in 1, 2, 3, and 4-month filters for the healthcare sector in sterile and non-sterile options.
Good morning, my name is Sébastien Jeu and I am Sales Director at DELABIE UK. And today I'm going to introduce you the systemless flushing from DELABIE. Yes, of course. So the system flush or direct flush valve from DELABIE is actually a concept of flushing systems directly from the main supply. So we can remove the systems and connect directly from the mains with a 20mm pipeworks directly connected. So we need to have a flow rate of 1 liter per second with a dynamic pressure of 1 bar, and then naturally we are going to flush the toilet pads. So the advantages are numerous in public spaces. First of all, in terms of hygiene, because we do not have water stagnation, with 6 or 9 liters of water that stagnates at room temperature with biofilm building up inside the tank, we can remove a significant problem of waterborne bacteria development, such as Legionella. Secondly, because the flush is using the water pressure from the mains, the flush is more powerful. By using the same amount of water, we can have a more powerful flush, which actually doesn't need a second flush most of the time. Thirdly, because the flush is available instantly, we do not have to wait the refilling time of the system. Therefore, we can reduce the waiting time that we can often see in public toilets. Also, we have a significant advantage in terms of water savings because system flushing systems are renowned not to be reliable. The system inside the system is very sensitive to impurities and deposits that would deposit at the bottom of the system, and that would create ongoing leaks that are very difficult to detect because they can hardly be seen and hardly be heard, but those leaks that would run for months would actually consume a significant amount of water. So yes, we have lots of new technologies that we are happy to introduce, of course. I would say that there is one technology that significantly changed the servicing aspect in the healthcare sector. It's the non-return valves. So far, in the UK, because we use lots of thermostatic mixing taps and thermostatic mixing valves in the installations for the medical staff areas and also for the patients areas, the servicing time is enormous. There's a lot of servicing to do because we have to do the fail-safe test. That takes time, but also we have to check the non-return valves because if we don't, there is a risk of cross-flow between the hot and the cold that can trigger a Legionella outbreak. It's been already confirmed that there have been some deaths with people dying of Legionella disease due to the fail of a non-return valve. So in DELABIE, we have developed a new technology in our Securithum range which completely prevents the risk of cross-flows. with this range of thermostatic mixing valve, I would say V2, new technology, we can completely prevent the cross flows from occurring without the support of non-return valves. As soon as the mixer is turned off, we've got a hot and a cold seat that completely block the cross flows. So it's a huge benefit in terms of hygiene, obviously, because we can remove plenty of areas where we could have a trigger of Legionella outbreak. But from a servicing point of view, it's fantastic because we can reduce dramatically the amount of servicing in the TMTs. And therefore, we can continue using TMTs across the hospitals, particularly for the patient areas, where we need to have safety with a TMV3 certified mixer. So this is a fantastic improvement to the industry. Now, on top of it, on TMTs, we still need to do the fail-safe test, which consists of checking how the mixer will react in the event of a cold water failure, because obviously we do not want the hot water to go through. Now, the fail-safe test, it's a very complex process normally because we need to access to the isolating valves in order to simulate this cold water failure. The isolating valves may be far away and they may be sometimes difficult to find. On this technology of connectors that we have developed here, we can do the fail-safe test from the front and without any tool. Simply by turning the flange on the connector, we can shut off the cold water and see straight away whether the hot is going to turn off. So instead of spending, say, 5 minutes in this fail-safe test, it just takes about 5 seconds.
So thank you for joining us at Healthcare Estates today. We hope you've enjoyed finding out a little bit more about our products and our technology, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.